Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to make the bright white areas in your video stand out more? In Canva, the whites adjustment lets you control the brightest white tones in your video. This can help make bright areas appear more vivid or reduce their intensity for a softer look. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the white setting in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. You can open an existing video project or create a new video project. For this example, I'll create a new video. Tap Video. Choose YouTube video. Next, select a template to continue. Once the video editor opens, tap the video clip you want to edit on the timeline. Swipe through the editing tools below the timeline until you find Adjust. Then tap Adjust. A list of adjustment options will appear. Swipe through the adjustment options until you find Whites. Then tap Whites. A slider will appear. Drag the slider to adjust the white tones in your video. Move the slider to the right to make white areas appear brighter, or move it to the left to reduce the intensity of white areas. Adjust the setting until you're satisfied with the result. Once you finish, tap the X icon, then tap the checkmark icon. The new white setting will be applied to your video. To save your video, tap the upload icon. You can choose share or download. For this example, I'll select download. The download screen will appear. You can choose a file type and quality setting or leave the default settings as they are. Then tap download. Canva will begin downloading your video. And that's how to adjust white areas in Canva videos using the whites setting on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.